Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, dear students, today we are going to discuss two things. Number one thing is about assignments, and number two is our today's lesson. Today's lesson is comparatively short, but we need to discuss something about the assignments because I had told you on Wednesday I will give you the assignments. So for assignments, I am going to write something on your screens. You can see over here. Number one thing is that the most important thing is that the assignment I'm talking about right now, computer science, will be given weekly, every week, okay, on Wednesday. Weekly on Wednesday, you are going to have your assignment. Number one thing. Basically, how many assignments will be there? You need to understand this thing. How many assignments are there? There would be 4 assignments. Okay? Each one on every Wednesday. This thing is now clear. Assignments will be given weekly. Week wise, 4 assignments only on every Wednesday. This thing, I think this thing is now clear. Now, each assignment will be of 5 marks. How many marks will be there? 5 marks. The marks will be included in term exams. ठीक है, term exam कितने होंगे total marks for 5 assignments? 5 multiplied by 4 assignments are there, na? 5 marks, 4 assignments. So there would be 20 marks that would be in your term exams that you are going to have. Are you getting this thing? I hope this thing is now clear. The key points are there that I am mentioning in front of you so that all of you should be clear about it. Rahim Adnan. Yes. I have unmuted your mic, Rahim. You are in which class? Yes, Rahim. You are in which class? All these students should lower the hand. I am going to take the questions afterwards. अच्छा जी. As I have told you, there would be 4 assignments each every week. On Wednesday, I am going to give you computer science assignment. Each assignment will be of 5 marks. Okay? And total 20 marks will be there, and these marks will be added in your term exams. This thing is clear now. Number 5. You will submit assignment. You will submit assignment in Google Classroom. ठीक है, मतलब क्या है कि the assignment will be given in Google Classroom and will be submitted. You will submit in Google Classroom. मैं Google Classroom में assignment दूंगा and you will submit in the Google Classroom. Keep in mind. ठीक है? You will submit the assignment within due date. You will have to follow the due date, keep in mind, because there would be a due date. I am going to show you the procedure, how you are going to. Okay. So I think all the points are now clear to all of you. And this is so in all the other subjects as well. Up to here, if you have got any question, please ask me now. Up to here, if you have got any question. Abdul Hamid. Abdul Hamid Ali, yes. What is your question?
There is the final exams the next 2 weeks.
Exam schedule will be communicated to you. It will be term exam. Okay.
When it will be released.
It will be communicated to you. Acha ji, ask about these all points about assignments. Yes, Rimsha.
Sir, today I just see that you have also sent an assignment. That assignment we have to do, but we will send it on Google Classroom.
Yeah, I'm going to show the procedure, okay?
Sir, but I didn't see any date, that dead date of assignment which
Okay,
you uploaded.
I'm going to assign, na? I'm going to assign today.
Okay, sir.
Today it is Wednesday, I'm going to give you. Okay.
Okay, sir. And
Yes. Yes, Rimsha, what else?
and that assignment which you have uploaded today, I don't know what was the time. That assignment also should be uploaded.
I am going to explain you. I am asking these points are clear. I'll leave the
Yes,
uploading.
sir.
I am going to explain that thing. Okay? I am going to explain.
Okay, sir.
Show you the demo. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
About these things, if these things are clear, I'll ask about these things. These things are clear now. Fine. Okay. Yes, Yasir. Yes, quickly.
Sir, we in the project we should we can write about any restaurant.
We will talk about the projects as well. I am going to upload the project as well, and in the same manner you will have to submit the project, just like assignment. Yes, Hiba Imran.
Sir, can you please tell me how when we have made any presentation or we have to send it into file that you have tell me tomorrow? Sir, yesterday.
Yesterday, what is your question? How you are going to submit the assignment? This is the question.
No, sir, I'm saying that how we submit assignment in file, in any file.
I am going to show you the procedure. You will be able to know. I am asking these points are clear. I am asking only this thing. Yes, Liman Khan, quickly.
Sir, if we will post our assignment on Google Classroom.
Your voice is not clear. Liman Khan, your voice is not clear. Saad Fayaz.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Can you say what is the due date of the assignment?
I am going to show you in your Google Classroom right now. Acha ji. Yes, Isa Abu Huraira. Yes, you want to ask something?
Sir, when will you post the assignment?
Acha ji. So all these questions that you are asking now, these are going to be addressed in this demo that I am going to give you. I will also upload the video for submission of the assignment submission process. Okay. And these points that I have mentioned over here, I am also going to give you so that assignment points. Okay, I am going to give you in your Google Classroom. Now see the procedure. First thing is that the assignment is just like we talk about P1. So you will see that in P1, when you will go to the assignment, you will see that the due date is not there. Okay? A due date will be there. If the due date is not there, let me check for the P1B. So in all the assignments, there should be a due date. So just like over here in P1B, we have got, today I'm giving you the assignment, and 30th is basically the submission date, 30th of August. Matlab 3 days are there with you. Similarly, if we go to the P1C, so let me check for the due date. If the due date is not there, so then definitely I'm going to mention the due date, 30th. So today, the assignment that I'm giving you today, its due date is basically 30th. Now take an example of P1. Let's suppose this is the assignment. When you will go to your Google Classroom, you will see that the assignment is there. Assignment will be given to you with the due date, and the due date will be mentioned. In front of the assignment, the due date will be mentioned. Acha ji, how you are going to submit the assignment? Now please pay attention and listen to me कि कैसे आप submit करोगे assignment को. This is the procedure. Assignment may be of Excel file, assignment may be of Word file, assignment may be to write on your copies and then take pictures and then submit. So I am talking about right now this assignment that I am going to give you, assignment 1 computer science. ठीक है? Achha. Let's suppose if I am a student. Now see this example. This is the page that I have logged on as a student. I am a student of P1A. I come to my class. You can see that stream, classwork and people. I will go to the classwork. I will see that my teacher has given me one assignment, assignment 1 computer science, and its due date is 30th. I will click on the view assignment. I will click on the view assignment. When I will click on the view assignment, I will reach to this page. I will reach to this page. Now you can see, I think this page, all these students will keep their cameras closed. When I will reach to this page, there are two files I have given over here. One is the task. Task क्या है? Task क्या है कि create the following format in MS Excel and calculate total marks using formula and submit the Excel file. So मैंने यहाँ पर एक आपको picture दी हुई है. This is the picture. This is the work that you have to do in Microsoft Excel. In which file? In Microsoft Excel. In which file? In Microsoft Excel. You have to make it and you have to save it in your computer first. You have to make it and you have to save it in your computer. Fine. कैसे बनाओगे कंप्यूटर में? Definitely you will open Excel file. ठीक है, ये आपने Excel file लिया, let's suppose, and you will do the work accordingly. Hash then name. ठीक है, then क्या है? English, Urdu, whatever. English, Urdu, all the work that is there, XYZ, whatever is there, that you are going to do and you will save it. अब आपने पूरा कर लिया काम. I am just giving you the demo. आपने पूरा काम कर लिया. Save it on your desktop or documents, wherever. और आपका नाम क्या है? Your name is, let's suppose, Ali, and this is assignment 1. ठीक है, आप इसको सेव कर लें. कहाँ सेव कर लिया आपने? आपने सेव कर लिया डेस्कटॉप. So you have completed the work, all the work. Definitely you will complete, na? You will complete the work. Whatever the work is there, if of course you are going to complete all the work that is given to you. Acha. When you have completed all the work, you will save the file on your desktop with your name and class. Assignment 1. Acha. Ab yahan pe, in the assignment, how you are going to upload the assignment. अब आप यहाँ मुझे कैसे submit करोगे? See the process. When you come to the assignment, on clicking the view assignment, मैं यहाँ पर कैसे आऊँगा? Assignment पे जाऊँगा. यहाँ assignment पे गया हूँ मैं. Then go to the view assignment. Go over there, create, add or create. Add or create. So आप जाओगे add पे और file, यहाँ से आप file upload करोगे. You will upload the file. ठीक है? You will upload the file. Other subjects में if you are taking the pictures or something like that, so definitely उनमें आप क्या कर रहे होगे? उनमें आप उन पिक्चर्स को अपलोड कर रहे होगे, यहाँ आप क्लिक करोगे, यू विल क्लिक ऑन द फाइल, you will find out the file from the upload option. You will browse the system. Let's suppose I have saved on my desktop. You will go to the desktop and you will file that assignment. You will file that assignment. This is a assignment Ali, assignment number 1. This is my assignment. I will click on it. I will click on open. So this will be submitted. ये यहाँ आ जाएगी, कहाँ आ जाएगी? Google Classroom में आ जाएगी. It will come in the Google Classroom. And then you will click on this button. अच्छा, ये काम आपको कब करना है? बिफोर ड्यू डेट 30th है ना, तो बिफोर ड्यू डेट इस काम को कर लेना है अपने सारे काम को. तो देन अब आपने असाइनमेंट यहाँ पे ले आए, ये आ गई आपकी असाइनमेंट अली असाइनमेंट 1, यहाँ पे अपलोड हो गई है. नाउ यू विल क्लिक ऑन द टर्न इन. टर्न इन मतलब सबमिट हो जाएगी. व्हेन यू विल क्लिक ऑन द टर्न इन, इट विल आस्क यू कि वन अटैचमेंट विल बी सबमिटेड फॉर असाइनमेंट 1. आर यू श्योर? यू विल से यस, टर्न इन. देखिए टर्न इन हो रहा है. अब ये क्या होगा? टर्न इन हो जाएगा. और टर्न इन का मतलब ये है कि द असाइनमेंट विल रीच टू मी. ठीक है, मेरे पास आ जाएगी असाइनमेंट. दिस थिंग इज क्लियर नाउ. नाउ all these students just lower the hands. Lower the hands, all these students. Lower the hands. No one will raise the hand. Right now just lower the hands. Let me mark for the attendance first. So over here, Aris Khan to Alishba Irfan of P1A. Then up to Fatima Riaz. I said no one will raise the hand. Why people are raising the hand? I am unable to understand when I am taking the attendance. ठीक है? अच्छा जी. To please raise lower the hand and let me mark the attendance. Then I am going to take the questions. Okay. I told you, okay, let me mark the attendance. Then I will take the questions. Achha, from Aris Khan to Alishba Irfan. Then to Fatma Riaz. Then to Muhammad Yasir Badr. And then to Sarim Nawaz. And then to Varisha. Okay. Fine. Achha ji. Now, if you have got any question, you can ask me by raising the hand. Okay. Now I am going to take the question. Yes, Hiba Imran. Yes, please. What is your question?
Sir, I want to ask that the file that you have show us that name Ali, etc. etc. We have to see that file and made the same one.
I told that when the assignment is in Excel, you will make the file in Excel. When the assignment is, for example, you have to type something in Word. Or
no, sir. I'm saying that we have to copy that you have sent us. Copy that we have to.
You have to make that thing that is given to you, not copy. How you will copy it? How can you copy it? It is an image. You will make it in Excel. You will apply the formula to calculate the total marks. Okay, getting this thing?
But we have to write these all names, that
Yeah,
numbers and
of course. Yeah, but does not mean that you can copy it. You will have to make it. Okay, you will have to type it.
yes, I'm asking that we have to
Yeah,
make.
data will be same. Yeah, data will be same. Okay, Yasir Badr, quickly. Yes, Yasir.
Sir, we should type the assignment. We should type the same assignment you have sent it.
You will make it in MS Excel. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and submit it to me as I have shown you in the procedure. Okay. Yes, Fatma. Fatma Riaz. I am seeing your.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. I'm seeing your name after a long time.
Sir, my name is not Fatma.
Your voice,
My
your voice is
sister's
not clear.
name.
Your voice is not clear.
My name is Aisha. I'm saying that my sister's name is Fatma Riaz. My name is Aisha Riaz.
So your attendance will not be marked definitely because I'm taking the attendance by the names now. When you are joining your class, so you should rename yourself. Okay.
Yes, sir. I was trying to rename myself, but it was not able.
Abdullah Shafiq. Yes. What is your question?
Sir, I submitted my assignment. Are you get it?
Which assignment you have submitted?
Sir, which you sent today?
Microsoft Excel assignment.
Yes.
Okay. Submit it in the form of Excel file. Okay. If you don't need to ask me if you have received or not, I will definitely tell when I will check it. Okay. If you have got any confusion, anything to ask, then you can ask me. Yes, Solaf Ibrahim. Yes, quickly.
Sir, can I print the project out
Print.
and take photos of it and post it on Google Classroom, the assignment?
No. You will submit the Excel file in Excel. For example, the project is there for publisher. You will attach the publisher file in the same manner that I have explained. Okay. Ayat Zubair. Yes.
Sir, I want to.
Yes. Yes.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Sir, I want to ask that whenever we want, if we want to save the assignment, do we have to write new Microsoft Excel worksheet or write our name like Ayat Zubair P1A assignment?
You should name. You should give your assignment your name. It is better. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Amina Mustafa. Yes, quickly.
Sir, I don't understand. We have to do the same thing as shown in screen, or we have to do our own one in Excel.
How you will? What you have not understood? How you will submit the assignment?
No, sir. It should like we should copy the same thing you have shown in the screen, or we should do our own one in Excel.
No. You have to copy this data and you have to apply the formula. Okay, to calculate total. Good.
Okay, sir.
Sir, you have already written the total marks. Then what we have to do?
Sorry.
You have already written the total marks. So we have to turn it into percentages.
I have written this, but you have to calculate it using formula. When you will calculate it, I will check that how you have applied the formula. I will check that thing.
Okay.
Rimsha Zia.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes.
Sir, I want to say two things. First is that in this we have to just write the same, but can we change the names?
No need. You have to do it.
Okay, sir. Okay, and second thing is that this is basically the first assignment,
Yeah.
which carries 5 marks.
Yeah. Saad Fayaz.
Sir, hello.
Ji.
Sir, do we have to make it on this topic only also, or we can make it on other topic also?
The topic that is given to you, you have to do it same as it is.
Okay, sir.
Aisha Wasim.
Sir, I have sent you my assignment. Did you get it?
When I will check, then I will come to know. Okay. Hiba Imran.
Sir, I want to ask that how should we calculate like means plus minus division how?
These all things have been told you in the chapter of Microsoft Excel. Go through it and find out the way.
Sir, of one we have to calculate of one student.
For each student, definitely you will apply the sum function. Some function is there that is used for it. Go through the chapter. Go through the book. I had explained this thing on the board, if you remember, in your classroom. Okay? Solif Ibrahim, yes, what is your question? Solif Ibrahim, quickly ask the question.
Sir, in our project that we should name the restaurant, should we name it from our mind or should we?
Yeah, that is up to you. I am also going to upload the project today because project date is also today that I am going to show you right now. Getting this point? Puriya Mushtaba, yes, what is your question?
Sir, you said that we should copy this, and second you said like we should multiple something. So what we should multiple in this?
I said that you have to make it and you have to apply formula to calculate total marks. What is your
It's
question?
already written.
This is written, but it is written after calculating. I will check the formula. I will check the formula in the Excel, how you have calculated. Whether you have directly written it or you have applied the formula, then the marks will be given to you, okay? Getting this thing? Some function is there, you see in the book. I had explained this thing. Yes, Alishba Irfan. Quickly ask the question if you have got anything, please, so that I can move ahead. Yes, Alishba Irfan, quickly. Nabiya Siddiqui.
Yes, sir. I wanted to ask that we have to calculate the total marks of the all students, and we have to total the all the total marks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Reach Faraz.
Sir, I just wanted to ask that will you announce the marks of the assignments or it will be directly written on our results?
Marks will be told you. Means कि I will check the assignment and you will be able to see the marks in your Google Classroom. Okay? This is a good question.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
अच्छा जी. So I think these all important things, I think these all things are now clear. And as I had told you, basically what we are doing, we are going to have our work in our Google Classroom, and in the Google Classroom, you know very well, basically what we have got. The important thing is that how you are going to basically submit your assignment. Okay, so this all procedure is there that I have already explained you. What I am doing for you, one more thing is there that I am doing for you. I am going to give you, you know, the video, a short video separately. I have given you, even I have already given you a short video, you know, a very short video, so that you can go through it, so that you can go through it and you can find out what actually we need to do. So the procedure is there. Similarly, for project, you will submit your publisher file. Okay, what you are going to do for your project, you will submit the publisher file. So I am also going to give you the project over here, that you know very well already. What is your project? You have to make a brochure for the food restaurant. So I am going to give you that project in your Google Classroom, that you will see with the name of instead of assignment over here, the project would be mentioned over here, so that you can make it. You will make it in the publisher, and then you will see. Acha, as I have told you, I am giving you this assignment submission process in the form of a video. This is a short video, 4-minute video is there, in which I have explained how you are going to submit the assignment. Okay? Procedure is there. Procedure is there that I am explaining. Go to your class. Let's suppose this is 3-1A. You will go to your class where you will see that the assignment 1 is given. And today's lesson that I have given you, today's lesson, I have even shown you. So today's lesson video will also be there in today's lesson work, so that you can also go through that video where we discussed about all these things, about the details of the assignment. So I hope now every student is now clear about all these things. You know very well last time we were going through actually small basic, and we had discussed about uh, different max function, minimum function. Similarly, we discussed about the AND operator, OR operator. These are the logical operators that we discussed about. So your assignments will be from different chapters, just like there would be assignment from small basic, there would be assignment from first chapter about computers, you know, basics of computers, input, output devices, hardware, software. So there would be some assignment from other chapters as well. Each assignment will be of 5 marks. So is there any other question that you want to ask? Please ask me. Anything that you would like to ask? Now these all things are clear to all these students. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all of you.